Okay. Okay. Sindhuja, so are you working anywhere or you're just running it?
Yeah, searching for jobs, sir.
Searching for jobs. So how many years of experience you have?
6 years.
So have you learned? I mean, did you work anywhere?
Yeah, I was to AI testing.
Okay. Okay. So why you lost the job?
Yeah, like no, there was some of layoffs, so that's what they.
Okay. Fine. Understood. I'm seeing one more resource joining. Christy Henita. How are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. So you also searching for job or you working?
Yeah, actually, I started my career as a test engineer and later moved on to corporate training of the testing topics.
Mm-hmm.
But I am currently teaching manual testing, Selenium with Java only. So I am just thinking whether I can learn some new tools and switch on to testing project role itself, or I can use this knowledge to provide training. But I feel training is not having much scope in the corporates because they are nowadays using AI tools, Udemy, corporate membership they are having. So I am just thinking what to do next, whether I can learn anything new and go into the testing job itself, or I'm. So that's why I thought I can attend and get some ideas.
Okay. So how many years you taught? I mean, I worked as a corporate trainer.
Yes. So my total experience is nearly 10 years, including the test engineer role.
Mm-hmm. So where do you work as a corporate trainer? Are you a freelancer or?
Yeah, currently a freelancer. Previously, I was working as a L&D manager in Deloitte. And previously, I had been working with Capgemini in full-time role and all. But, but due to some reasons like travel, family, I had to like change jobs, and now I'm a freelance trainer only.
Okay, okay. So even I am also a corporate trainer.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes, yes.
You might have heard my name, Azam in Capgemini.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I, I'm a freelancer training as well. So
Okay.
who provide the training across the globe, not only in India.
Mm-hmm.
So Accenture,
Mm-hmm.
Capgemini,
Okay.
and Cognizant Academy, my academy,
Ye-
Cognizant, my.
yes, 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 yes.
So you might have heard or seen somewhere in the academic, like my photo will be there everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever I taught, so the batch will be making top. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why they honored me with some all these things.
Oh, great, great, great. Okay.
Uh, okay, I left the training, corporate training. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
full time. So now working as a freelancer. Why I'm telling all this thing is, you know, um, it is very easy to switch the job for a trainer.
Mm-hmm.
I would suggest, I would suggest, don't go with as a corporate trainer. So why? Because some days they are working. So nowadays it is online, right? So
Yes.
previously how it was offline, and that too you have to travel Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai sometimes Gurgaon. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
of course, they will provide the flight tickets and everything, but still, it is very hard to travel. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so that's why you can switch the job. Okay,
Mm-mm-mm. Yes, even I am also planning to start my own online trainings instead of going to corporate and training.
How did you
That's why I joined your course also. So I'm open to both position. If I get a tester role also, it's okay. If I can learn from you and I can continue my testing training also, I will be happy.
so what you can do is you can learn playwright. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
you can learn playwright, and you anyway you know Selenium, Java, right? So
Yes.
keep these two technologies in your resume. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
don't showcase anywhere that you are a trainer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and until unless if something is there in the paper, then only you can showcase. Otherwise, don't showcase. Um,
Mm-hmm.
then you can switch the job. Okay, that would
Yeah.
be my best suggestion. Of
Yes.
course,
Yes.
the training you can take a you can take training anywhere, right? So, and the free time, like I'm also working as a technical lead and architect level one. Okay,
Okay.
but I'm also teaching, so
Mm-hmm.
that's how you can also do the same thing. Okay, that's my
Yes.
suggestion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you have any recorded courses or live training
Yeah,
only you are providing?
you can connect with the institute. They will give you the recorded trainings. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
from the basics, I thought they will give you. I I'm teaching every course like
Okay.
Selenium, C Sharp, Selenium, Java,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and coming to Playwright again with the C Sharp, JavaScript, TypeScript,
Mm-hmm.
uh, all these courses I'm teaching.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right. Why? Yep. Yeah. Before going to start, does anybody have any question, any doubts you would like to discuss? Please ask me.
Or when we use ChatGPT or Copilot, the data will be stored in somewhere. So if you use this AI tools, the data will not show, right?
No, actually, here we have two different options. Okay, one is it will store the data and it will not store the data. Right? Banking sector still they are not using AIs because of the data security issue. Okay, and anyway, by using LLMs, the data is not secured. Either this way or that way or any of the other way, the data is not secured. Okay, they are storing the data. It is fast, but still there is no security. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Fine then. Let's start.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so in my previous organization, we were using Cursor IDE. One task that was given to me was to develop a evaluation script which will give you the readiness score of the project. Like, for example, like all the checklist is there, right? Like code quality and test coverage, PRT requirement compliance. So all these we have to. I just wrote a script and uh, we ran that script and we have used to get the score. But the task that was given to me was this has to be what to say like in cursor we have four options like agents, user rules and cursor rules and project rules. So they told me like it has to be pushed to the
Your voice
cursor
is
rules.
bit breaking.
Yeah, I mean, what the task was to push it to the cursor rules so that every developer will be able to use the script. Is it possible, sir?
Okay. See, you are saying that, so they have given a project. Let me understand properly.
Okay.
Let me understand it properly. So, what they have given is they have given a task. The task is like so, and they have given the solutions where you have to verify that this solution meets everything like readiness of the project, like project
Yes.
security. Uh, what else?
Yeah, everything code quality, PRD
Code quality and
compliance.
everything, compliance and everything. Correct. Okay.
Yes.
And what else? I mean, what happened? I mean, what they
Yeah.
are expecting every day. That
Yeah.
part I did it was not clear.
Yeah, okay, okay. So actually, if you have your script in the repo, in your project repo, every
Mm,
individual they can run it, but they didn't want me to send it to the developers. Like they don't want me to email it to the developers. Instead, my CEO, what he told was, you have to push it to the cursor backend. Like in cursor itself, it must every project when we create, the file must reflect. Is it possible, sir? Actually, this was like triggering a lot of frustration between me and my CEO
okay.
because I told him
So
it's not at all possible. Because
you
in
do one
cursor
thing.
only four. Yeah.
We do one thing. You just send me the requirement, okay, in the chat. So meanwhile,
Okay.
here we have a chat, right?
Yes.
So you can ask me whatever the question regarding AI. There is nothing
Okay.
like if someone is asking to achieve, if it is possible, then yes, we can do it in our class,
Yes.
and we will show this.
Yes.
Okay, we will do the working session.
Sure. Sure.
Don't think much about it. Okay,
Sure.
that's
Sure.
we
I'll
will do it.
chat. I'll put it in the chat. Yeah.
Yep. So why? Because see, maybe 1 or 2 points are I'm missing, which is not clear. Maybe your audio is not clear. The technical part, it was not clear to me. So just give me the
Okay.
technical
Sure.
part. We will do that. Yeah. Coming
Definitely.
to
Definitely.
project evaluation, readiness, compliances, standards, what we can do is we can assess that. This part, for sure, by using cursor, we can do that.
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Right. Yes. Uh, So there is one more LLM which is there. This, ignore this, ignore this. That is Claude. I don't know how to pronounce it. Some people are calling Cloud E. Some are saying Cloud E. Okay, let it load. Okay, come on, the cursor. Policy and use my personal information according. See, someone asked a question to me. If you agree, if you agree to, so means you are fulfilling giving authorization to this LLM saying that I have a consent to collection and use my personal information in accordance with the privacy policy. Okay, this is what it is asking. See, yes, I'm 18 years, but still it is asking. What is the privacy? Again, in the privacy, it will be telling you. So look at this. These many privacy terms and conditions policies. What it will ask you is Are you willing to provide your data? That's what it is saying. So if I say yes, then only it will create an account. So means they can use our personal data. Understand? Yep. So now you know, this is one of the LLM like as a ChatGPT. Okay. So where it is having Sonnet and there are different models are there, Opus. Okay. So these are coming from uh, Cloud. So here also you can ask a question which is quite similar to ChatGPT. Okay. So it is coming from Anthropic. Have you ever heard the Anthropic name? Yeah. So this is Anthropic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you can ask like similar questions. It will give you the similar answers. So for example, let's say what we did yesterday, we are going to add okay, okay, use this one, create the manual test cases uh, for the attached requirement requirement in the Excel for the below mentioned columns like test case ID, first of all, requirement ID, test case ID, requirement ID, story ID, title, prerequisite, prerequisite, mm, steps, expected result, actual result, okay, expected result, actual result, status, comments, cover of positive, negative, and what is it, edge cases, okay, title, type, edge cases. Clear? is there, but still. So this is also the same as the GPT, how it works. So GPT has their own LLMs like GPT 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and it is also having their own LLMs like Sonnet, Opus, okay, and they are very fast, I can say. So when compared to Cloudy and the GPT, Cloudy is very very fast. Okay, so Sindhuja, I didn't get the requirement. Can you please share it? I will take one live example and we'll start working on it. Is she available? Yes, it is. She is. Come on, why it is taking? Yep, it's working. See, at the back end, it is writing the code. Okay. So how many are there? Total seven positive, seven negative, and four edge cases are there. And which covers homepage 5, uh, homepage 9, and the product selection 14, and cart 12. So these are the outcome it has been given. And now it shares us here at the right side. You can see test case ID, requirement, and story ID, title. Okay, look at this. So this is how it has given. So with the coloring as well, positive, negative, edge cases. Yeah. Anybody have any question in generating these test cases? Please ask.
Where we are downloading this Excel, sir?
So here, I mean, it will download in our local download folder. So here, e-commerce test case 1042,
Go to that one, sir. The tool,
the
LLM.
tool LLM.
LLM.
Okay. Now here there is an option on the right top.
Yes. So if ask test data, that also it will provide.
Test data you have to provide if you have any specific test data. Okay. Let's say create some sample. Okay. Add one more column test data. Test system. Okay. I asked, hey, can you please add one more column for test data? It will accumulate. See, it is asking t-shirt, jeans, dresses under the clothing, and it is asking under the electronics, it is asking laptop, mobile, TV, and home needs. It is asking, where is it? Home needs. Maybe it is there on the top. It is refreshing. Okay. So the test data, look at this. So this is the data, and here the join username, password. Yes, madam. The OTP. The OTP is something like this. Yeah, clear?
So,
So now, as Sindhuja mentioned, like so, we are also, excuse me, we are also going to work with cursor. Okay. So cursor ID, which is very, very important in these days, and it is very costly too. So many companies are not ready to accept this. I mean, pay the licenses. Why? Because it's a very huge application. Uh, but it makes your job easy. It makes your job easy. So now what I can do is, for example, let's say I will create a new folder, May 26. Yeah. Okay. Let's assume. Look at this. Whenever I open this, so usually what you do is you are going to the particular LLM and you are doing the job. So now here what we do is in the cursor, we have lot of uh, LLMs, right? So Composer, GPT, Codex 5.3, Sonnet, Opus, and again if you want to add more LLMs, you can click on the add button, and there you can find LLMs. Look at this: Grok, GPT, Opus, right? Haiku, Gemini. So you can add any of these LLMs. Okay, got it. So these LLMs, so there are few are there which are very trendy and it will take it, and otherwise we can choose our own model. So you can see this. The Grok is not available here. You can add the Grok here. The GPT Opus 4.5. Gemini is not there, right? In the list, Gemini is not there. You can add Gemini here. Gemini 3.1 Pro. Anything. So whatever, if you want to use the existing LLMs, you can use it. Otherwise, you can use the desired LLMs. Clear? Yep. I believe it is pretty clear. So which LLM would you like to take? Fine. Okay. So I'll stop here. Why? Because uh, Institute wants to speak with you all. Uh, and even actually on every Saturday I will not take the sessions. Uh, that's why I joined late. So I got late information that I have to take the session. So I will take the session from Monday. I mean next classes. So please speak to the institute, take the automation so recordings from them, understand it properly, come up with some assignments. You have 2 days, today and tomorrow, so that we can start working on uh, all the topics, whatever we have. Clear? Yes, no, not understand.
Sir, can I get any contact information of you, sir? Email or contact number, sir?
Why not? Yes, madam, why not? I will give you. I don't
Uh,
have. I mean, so I usually connect with my students over the phone, WhatsApp, Telegram. Okay.
okay.
Uh, so there is no hiding over here. You can connect me at any time. You can ask institute. They will share my number. Okay. Um, so they are very happy to share my number. One thing that so they won't, they will. Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Right. But I would suggest you all learn AI. Without AI, there is no scope. Okay. At least for these 4 years. After 4 years, again, everybody will be switched to legacy. Legacy, I know that they are using AIs, but not like this. Now it is time to evolve the AI. AI is evolving, right? It will take some time. Wait till it's evolved properly. Then everybody gets settled down. No layoffs after that for more 10 years. Then after 10 years, some more technology will comes into picture. Then again layoff. The cycle will happening since 1990. Okay, layoffs. Got it?
To show
Okay
our
then.
experience, sir, these tools are recently
I'll
came,
I'll
right?
connect to you.
Uh,
I will connect with you personally. Okay,
okay.
we'll think about it.
Okay.
Okay, you know. So I will conduct the sessions like doubts clarification classes once they done with the core sessions. I will conduct all these things. I will prepare the resume and everything over there. Okay, fine. Any questions? Don't worry about your future. Okay, and I will guide you how to get the job. And everybody is saying that people are not getting the calls. Yes, there are calls, but only for the talented people. Understand? Even my students are getting the jobs because I train them very well. And few are not getting the job because they didn't practice it. Clear? Okay, fine then. I have only 7 minutes to get ready for the next session. We'll continue from the next session. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.